Hey there, car enthusiasts. If you're tired of dealing with dust, dirt, and crumbs in your car, then it's time to upgrade your car cleaning game with the ThisWorx car vacuum cleaner. This small but mighty handheld vacuum is a must-have for any car owner. This portable car vacuum is compact, lightweight, and easy to use, making it the perfect tool for on-the-go cleaning. Equipped with a HEPA filter, it's ready to tackle ash, dust, or any drive-through food spills. With its powerful cyclonic force and strong suction, this car vacuum will make quick work of any mess, whether it's sand from the beach or dog hair. The detailing kit includes 3 attachments for easy cleaning, a carry bag for convenient storage, a filter brush, and spare HEPA filter. Whether you're a man or a woman, this car cleaning kit is essential for keeping your car's interior clean and tidy. And the best part? This car vacuum cleaner uses a 12V outlet, so you never have to worry about the battery dying when you need to clean your car. Plus, the 16-foot cord gives you plenty of slack to reach the back seat or trunk without any hassle. So, if you're ready to take your car cleaning to the next level, be sure to check out the ThisWorx car vacuum cleaner. You can find the link to purchase this amazing product in the description below. Don't miss out on keeping your car looking its best. Click the link and grab yours today.